Hey, welcome back. If you are a real internet surfer, you know firsthand about the bright sides of hyperlinks. Clicking on hyperlinks, you instantly get access to other information no matter where it is located. But do you know the benefits of spreadsheet hyperlinks in Excel workbooks? The time has come to discover them and start using this great Excel feature. You can put spreadsheet hyperlink to fair use to create a table of contents of your workbook. Excel internal hyperlinks will help you quickly jump from the workbook's necessary parts without hunting through multiple worksheets. This workbook has two worksheets: sales per company and total sales. The first worksheet had the amounts of each company and the second sheet has total sales. If you want to create a link to the first worksheet, I first click on the cell to link. So highlight cell A21 and go to Insert tab and click Hyperlinks. Doing so displays the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Look at how many options I have. I can link to existing files or even web pages. By clicking existing file or web page option, I can click place in the document. I can also create a new document to link to. Finally, I can mail to hyperlink, which allows people to click a link and open their mail program. To send an email address listed in the hyperlink, select the option Place in this document. Now I can select a place in the document. So I have two worksheets, sales per company and total sales. I will click total sales, which is the name of the worksheet I want to link to, and I will just leave the cell reference at A1, which is the top left corner of the worksheet data area, and I will click OK. The cell content becomes underlined and highlighted in blue. It means that the cell contains the hyperlink. To check if the link works, just hover over the pointer of the underlining text and click to the unspecified location. If you want to change the hyperlink's destination, you need to modify the cell reference or choose another sheet by right-click and choose Edit Hyperlink from the pop-up menu. If I try to click this link, I go to the second worksheet, which works fine. If you are an advanced Excel user, you could try a tricky method to create hyperlinks in Excel. Excel has a function named hyperlink that you can use for creating links between spreadsheet and a workbook. In this lesson, I hope you saw the simplicity and effectiveness of using internal hyperlinks in a workbook. Just a few will click to create, and discover the massive content of complex Excel document. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.